Okay, ndewo na aha m wụ Ogochukwu Kwinet Ohaya. Today we have phrases, Igbo word phrases to do. But before we can do that, we're gonna do a little quiz because I want to make sure that you guys practice what I told you to practice. And gradually, we're going to be phasing off English a little bit and speak a little bit of Igbo because I want you to learn. Okay? So Igbo phrases are like Okwu Igbo, things that we say, how we say, use some of Igbo words. Okay, but right now, I need you to get ready. I need you to log into, I'm going to share a screen that I want you to log into Quizlet.com and then type in this code to take the quiz. All right, so let me share, I'm gonna share the screen with you. The Quizlet. Okay, so log into Quizlet.com, go there. Say www.quizlet.live. That's what I want you to type. And then type in the code like we did the last 2 weeks. And then we're going to take quiz. Just try your best. You don't have to get all of them, but just do something, a little bit. You should get something. I see Ify is in, Chima, Obi, Chioma. Come on, guys, type in the code. We're waiting for people to call and join. The code is there, 262460. Come on, guys, we're waiting for you. Only few people joined. I need everybody to join in this quiz. Join in the quiz. Put on your code, then I'm going to start. If you're having problem, let me know. If you're having problem, the code, as long as you can see my screen. Where do we go to www.quizlet.live and then type in the code 260 or 262460.
I'm about to take a quiz.
We're going to start.
I'm about to take a quiz.
Okay. We're not gonna wait for everybody. I think we're gonna move on because we're going to do it again. So if you don't have opportunity to join now, you got opportunity to do it later. So the second round. All right, so we are starting right now. Go on. The game is about to start. Okay. All right, it started. Go on now. Yeah, I see penguins, zebras, pumas, mustangs, koalas. Penguins are leading.
Can you go help him in? You're done already?
No, not talking. Don't talk to another person.
It's the wolf. I need to go.
Ah, somebody went back. You know, you miss it. You push it.
I have no idea. I just got on here. I don't know what they're doing.
It's okay. We're taking quiz. We're gonna do it again. We've been waiting for people to call in to join, but they didn't. So the second round, you get in the second round. This is a Quizlet. So wait for second round. Oh, I see Mustangs cruising. We're gonna have a
quiz. How you say I'm not fine?
That's okay. We're taking quiz right now. No! You're not supposed to talk. This is quiz time. No talking. Because you're distracting others. We are not gonna be talking. Yay, we have a winner. Chioma is the winner. Chioma is the winner of this round. Wow, congratulations, Chioma, wonderful. Okay, we're going to do another round. So get ready. If you didn't get opportunity to join the first round, I want you to join the second round, please. Let's go back. Okay, so let's go back and join. What is it again? So I want to make sure I admitted everybody. So far, we have 33 people. If you don't get opportunity to join now, then you might not be able to join later. So
460.
let me see. Okay, so we're gonna do another one. Okay, go ahead. There's a code there. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna put it up. One second, I gotta put the music off. Okay, everybody ready? We're going to start the quiz again. I give you a minute more, 30 seconds to join the quiz. If you miss it this time, you've missed it. So I give everybody opportunity to get in now. Everybody did not get in. I need everybody to join. Everybody must take this quiz. You have to. If you know you haven't joined, please get in. You have 5 seconds. And then we have to start.
Excuse me, I humbled Nina. Which one was it? Because I have like multiple ones.
Okay, did you see the code? Do you see the code on the screen?
Yes.
Type the code. Once you type, when you go to quizlet.live, then type this code.
Okay, okay.
Once you type the code, then you get it.
Okay, Donald.
Email are good. Okay, I still need at least 4 more people to call in to join. If you're having problem, let me know. This was the one I created last week, and I told you guys to go over it. I don't know how many people that did, because this Quizlet Day is going to help you. I told you guys to go over it. I'm still going to create more. And if you keep letting it pile, it's not going to help you. Okay, time's up. We're going to start now. Okay. All right, start. Wow. Let's see who's gonna be the winner. Yeah, Stingrays. Oh, okay, alligators are the winner. Not the winner, they're leading. T-Rex. Okay, hedgehogs. Wow, dolphins. Dolphins are taking lead now. Hedgehogs. T-Rexes. You miss a question, it's going to bounce you back. So it's fun doing it. So go ahead. If you don't want to bounce back, don't miss any question. Oh, hedgehogs are leading. Wow. Hopefully we're going to have a winner soon. I see penguins going. Oh, hedgehogs. Oh, it went all the way back to 0. Now penguins. I see bald eagles. Oh, cheetahs. Chameleons. Good job, guys. Wolves. Wow, wolves, you went back. What happened? Cheetahs are about to win. Let's see. We have a winner. We have a winner. Oluchi and Ugonna. Whoa. We are so proud of you. Wonderful. That's good. We have a winner. Wow, awesome. Okay, so now go back to this. If you know you missed something, but we need to review something though. Because if you have any question there, I can help and see what you're missing. So we're gonna go back to it. All right. So let's go back to it and then we see how we can, if you have a question, then we can get it straight and help you some of the things you want to know. Okay. You can see the screen. Can you? Is it too small? Can everybody see the screen? Can you go to your screen? Did you click on it? The one that has the 70 sets. It says Igbo greetings, simple gestures, and Igbo vocabulary words. Is everybody there? Okay. Go to Quizlet.com. You see it, Atlanta Igbo School Quizlet. Yeah, the same one that we did. Okay, if you're not there, let me just share my own screen. Okay, so we have, when it comes to all these greetings and so on, wait, let me open it for you. One second. Okay, it's opening now. Okay, so we have 70 and I'm trying to make it a way that you always see what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, greetings. So let me put it where you guys will see it very well. Flash gas, okay. It's taking so much time. Okay, so when you look at this one that say we are fine, can you see the screen right now? Can you see the screen? Can everybody see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So you say we are fine. Then the options there, we are fine. We is plural. It's not singular. Okay. It means we collectively. You are included. We are fine. I remember when we did the pronouns and prepositions, especially the pronouns. I told you we did when you're possessive pronouns, when you're really talking about yourself, when you're talking to another person, when you're talking to a group of people, when you see all these things, when you are referring something direct and indirectly. So we are fine. We pronoun is ha anyị, okay? Anyị, we are fine. Anyị dị mma. Anyị dị mma. We are fine, which is number 4. See down here. Anyị dị mma. We are fine. But if I said I am fine, it means adị m mma. Adị m mma. If I say Ogechi or Chioma is fine, Chioma dị mma. And then if you want to replace Chioma, you say ọ dị mma, because you're talking about another person. Ọ dị mma. Chioma dị mma. Obi dị mma. Chris dị mma. Chris is fine. That's what it is. Now we're gonna go to another one.
We are fine.
We are fine. So you see this here, we are fine. Okay, so let me the answer is anyị dị mma. That's what it is. Now, what is yes? Yes is when I ask you something, you want to say yes. Is yes. So we're gonna move on because I need to make sure that we cover everything. What is sorry? Sorry. When you say, oh, sorry.
Ndo.
Okay, ndo, that's good. Sorry, it's ndo. There you go. You want to say sorry to somebody, say ndo. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Now go and come back safe. Go. Ga and come back lota. You see that? Ga lota nke oma. You see, so there are so many ways you can say, go and come back safe. Ga nke oma. Ga lota n'udo. Okay? Either you say ga nke oma or ga lota n'udo. It means go and come back safe. Ga lota nke ọma. Ga lota nke ọma. Or you can say ga means go. Lota, come back na udo nke ọma. So all these things that means the same thing, which is number 2. Ga lota nke ọma. Now, come means bịa. Bịa means come. That's number 4. Now we have our father is back. Our father is back. Nna anyị or papa, you can say papa anyị or nna anyị alọtala. Nna anyị means our father. This is not my father now. You said our father. Maybe Obi and the angel said, oh, our father is back. Or you go to mom and say, oh, daddy is back. So our father is back means nna anyị or papa. Papa anyị, our father. Alọtala. Alọtala. Papa anyị alọtala. Or you can say nna anyị alọtala. Okay? So which one is it, guys? Which one is it?
Number 2.
It's number 2.
Number 2, yes. That's number 2. Now, have a nice day. Have a nice day. So, see somebody walking or somebody outside doing something, or you just, oh, you want to tell your friend, did that other maybe over the phone or anyway. Okay, have a nice day. Nwee ụbọchị ọma. Day is ụbọchị. Day is ụbọchị. Oma is anything good. Have a good or have a nice day. Nwee ụbọchị ọma. Nwee ụbọchị ọma. Have a nice day. Which is number 2. Okay. So let's do the meaning. Okay. We did this one already. Let's go back. Got it. Sorry. Oh, is this stopping? Okay. I don't know why it's not putting it back. Okay, I'm gonna remove it. Let's go back. Okay. So let's do this now. One second, I'm coming. It just cut off. I didn't know why it did that. So this is what you're gonna do so that I want us to go over what we have to do today. What you need to go do is go to this Quizlet and then click on any of them you wanna go over, but I need you to go over all this. Click on them and make sure you learn it, okay? It's going to help you greatly. But if you don't do that, you're not gonna learn anything. So now, I wanna continue to go over it, but we need to be fast so that we can get to other things we have to do. Okay, so the next one is greetings. Greetings. The meaning of greeting is ekene. Ekene. Some people say ekele, ekene. They are the same thing. They are the same. Now, good morning. We've done all this. Good morning is ụtụtụ ọma. Some people will say ebolachi. Some will say esalachi or itetala. Itetala ta. But the general one in Central Igbo is ụtụtụ ọma. Okay? Now, the next one we have is good afternoon. Good afternoon. So the next one is good afternoon. And good come on. All right. I got it maximized. Right. So, 1 second. Okay, so everybody can see it now. All right, good. All right, good afternoon. It's ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma. That's good afternoon. Good evening. Mgbede ọma. Mgbede ọma. That is the meaning of good evening. Good night. Kachifo or anyase ọma. Kachifo or anyase ọma. Now, when you say goodbye, okay, maybe I visited you, and then you want to tell me, and I'm leaving, and you want to tell me, say, oh, okay. Kachifo, that's the meaning of good night. Kachifo, good night. Okay, or you can say anyase, ọma, anyase, ọma. Okay, let's see. When you say ka omesia, goodbye, or it means also see you later, see you next time. It can mean all those things. But goodbye means KMSL, bye-bye, okay? KMSL. Now, when you say next time means mbozo, or you can say cordial. Cordial means see you next time. Cordial, mgbe ozo. Now, see you later. See you later is also ka omesia, cordial, or mgbe ozo. They are the same thing. You can use them interchangeably. So it is not wrong. But just try to pay attention to the pronunciations. Pay attention to the pronunciations. Now, when you say, see you, safe journey. When you say safe journey, ije ọma, ije ọma.
See you later.
Or you can say, don't click anything, just listen to my pronunciation. Ga ofuma. Safe journey means ije ọma or ga ofuma. You can also say ga nke ọma. Now, hello means ndewo. Now, I came to your house and you say welcome. Instead of saying welcome to me, tell me no. Your parents, your siblings, your uncles and aunties, your friends, you see them in your house, no. Especially our parents and our siblings, when they are home, no, means welcome. Sometimes I say, elotala, are you back? You see that? So, elotala means, are you back? Welcome. No, no. You make the sound with your inner throat and say, no, no. Okay. Now you say, how are you? Kedu? Or you can say, kedu ka imere? You can also say, kedu ka odi? But kedu ka imere or kedu ka imelu, they are the same thing. So don't get confused. When I ask kedu ka imere or kedu ka kedu, just only kedu, they all mean the same thing. And when I ask you, kedu ka mama gi melu, I ask you about your mother. Kedu ka nwanne gi mere, I ask about your sibling. Kedu ka papa or nna gi mere means how is your father? Kedu ka unu? Kedu ka, I want us to be using all these pronouns. You have to use these pronouns. That's the only way for you to know. Once you use them, you get used to it. If you've forgotten what we did, go back to the pronouns. Get those pronouns registered. Once you get them, then you can make sentences. You can use singular, plural, direct, indirect, second person, third person. Okay? Kedu ka nwanne gi mere means I can say kedu ka o mere. It means all refers to it, he, she. Okay? Ha means there, them, there. When I say you are, it means honor. Somebody is making noise here. Okay, Ogechi, go ahead. Yeah.
Okay, so for how are you? Usually they ask me a little teamer.
It could be Olet, like that's the dialect. You see, so Olet teamer. But what we are teaching here doesn't mean that's the only way. We are trying to teach the Central Igbo. You see what I'm doing? But that doesn't mean that other dialects, they are not right. They are right. Because people, different households, they have their dialects. Imo people, when you come to Imo State, they have numerous dialects that sometimes you might not even understand some dialects, but they're speaking Igbo. So, see what Ogechuku said, it is 100% correct. And what you need to do, learn the Central Igbo, but speak your dialect. But I want you to know they are all the same thing. So don't get confused. if somebody, maybe, if I speak my dialect now, I will come to you and say, if some dialects will say, imelam ole, it means, how are you? Kedu email. You see that? So, Ogechi asked a good question here. You have to stick with the dialect you're speaking in your household. Don't say it's not correct. No, it is. But you're taking Igbo class for you to know the common ways, several ways people can say it. And then more especially to know the Central Igbo. That's the purpose. But your dialect is correct because that's the way your mother and father, that's the way they speak. It is the same Igbo. So it is a correct question and a great question that Ogechi asked. Okay. Ndewo. Okay, now you can say, I am fine. Adem mma. Adem mma. That was the first thing I said in this class. Because most of the times we're making mistakes. Even some Igbo people that speak Igbo very well. You ask them, how are you? They tell you, Odemma. No. When I ask you, I'm looking at you, and I ask you, how are you? Your answer will be, I am fine, or I'm not. But when you say, oh, you're referring to another person. But if I ask you your day, how is your day? My day is fine. Odemma, it's okay. But when I ask you, kedu ka imelu, how are you? Ademma. When you tell me Odemma, you're telling me either somebody else. When you tell me Ademma, only when I ask you, how are your parents? How are your friends? How are your siblings? They are fine. Ademma. You see that? So pay attention to that. Ademma, because I'm looking at you, I am talking to you direct. I'm not asking you about another person. But when I ask you about your friend or your sibling beside you, kedu ka o mere? Then you can say Odemma. You see that? So know the difference. Now, I am not fine. You're telling me here now, I am not fine. Adegem mma. Adegem mma. Pay attention. The GHI is making a big difference here. Somebody is drawing. Stop drawing. You need to clear it. Whoever is okay, thank you. I am not fine means adegem mma. Adegem mma. It is fine means eat. Remember we say eat, he, she, or with a dot is replacing them. It is fine. Odemma. This is when I can ask, okay, what's going on today? What's wrong? Nothing. It's fine. It's fine. So Odemma. Okay? He, she is fine when you're saying she. Odemma. So don't get confused. They are fine. They, ha, demma. Because you're talking about more than one person and collectively you're asking about another person. And then ha demma. Okay? They are not fine. Ha degemma. Ha adegemma. All right? The class will be ending soon. But if we don't finish reviewing everything, please make sure you go back there and review. If you don't have the link, ask me. Go to Atlanta Igbo School. Okay, Quizlet.com. So you will find everything. I always post the link. We have also here, they are fine. Ha demma. They are not fine. Ha degemma. I am not well. Adegemma. Well, ahu adegem. You can also say ahu adegem. That's when you are not feeling well. When you are sick. Ahu adegem. I am not well. Ahu adegem. See that? Okay. Ahu adegem. Sick. When you're sick, that's when you use the word. I am not well. Ahu adegem. Ahu means body. Ahu is body. Ahu adegem. I am not well. That's basically what you're saying. Okay. I am sick. Ahu na ariamu. Ahu na aria means my body is sick. Aria means sick. Ahụ na aria. Some dialect we say ahụ na wum. Ahụ na wum. So there are so many ways several ways you can say it, get it across. But just know the central one so that when people use their dialect, you know what they're talking about. Okay, you can also say, you all are not happy. When I'm looking at a group of people, all of you, and I say, I can tell you people are not happy. Okay, you all are not happy. See that? When you say, the one above it says, we are not fine, means us, anyị. Know your pronouns is very, very important. Please, your pronouns will help you. Go back to it, review it again. We means anyị. Now, when I look at you, I say, you all are not happy. Obi adịghị, unu niile, you all means unu niile, unu niile. Obi adịghị, unu niile mma. That means you all are not happy. Okay? Please, biko. Wait means chere. Wait, chere. Go, gaba. Go, gaba. I'm telling you to go. All right? Get out. You can tell somebody, get out of here. Whether jokingly or whether you're serious. Pụọ ebe a, or si ebe a pụọ. Si ebe a pụọ.
Give me my song.
No, guys. Take it means were ya. Were ya. Take it. Don't take it. Ewerela ya. Ewerela ya.